This next song is a song called The Mountains of Pomeroy, and it stems from the north of Ireland. And it tells the story of a young girl who falls in love with an outlaw and leaves her family to go away and marry him, but on the way she gets caught in a flood and drowns.
It's a sad story you've had.
It was.
But no one can tell it like you.
The dawn was breaking bright and fair. The lark sang in the sky. When a maid, she bound her golden hair with a blithe glance in her eye. For who beyond the gay green wood was awaiting her with joy? Of who but gallant Renardine in the mountains of Pomeroy? Full oft in the twilight hour, full oft in the twilight brown, he met the maid with the golden hair, where the tumbling torrents fall. For they were faithful and in love, no wars could e'er destroy. No tyrant's chains bound Renardine in the mountains of Pomeroy. My love, she said, I'm so afraid of the foeman's force and you. They've tracked you in the lowland plains and all the valleys through. My kinsmen frown when you are named, your life they would destroy. Beware, they say, of Renardine in the mountains of Pomeroy. My love, he said, be not afraid of the foeman's force on me. No chain shall bind, whate'er betide, the arm that would be free. Oh, leave your cruel kin and come, and the lark is in the sky. It's with my life I'll guard you in the mountains of Pomeroy. Well, the dawn it broke, she rose and went from her cruel kin and kind. All full of love, she's down the glen and up the mountainside. The mist came down, the tempest rose, and did all round destroy. And a pale ground bride met Renardine in the mountains of Pomeroy. Thanks very much.
Thank you.